Hey guys, welcome back to Sage Rides. Appreciate you viewing the channel. Today I'm just going to replace the battery from a 2013 BMW Keyfob. This is what the Keyfob looks like. Very straightforward. You're gonna flip it over. I've already gotten it started, so I wasn't fumbling around with the back cover. You're gonna press this button and pull the key out, like so. And then you're gonna gently use the key to stick right into this position right here, and it will go ahead and pry out one of the tabs. And then what I did once I got it pried out was I used my fingernail and I just pulled this up. It has a CR2450 battery in it. You'll need one of these. Luckily, I had 3. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out, like so. That's the old one. Let's grab a new one. Put it in with the negative side down. Boom. Looking good. Actually clean some of this crud off. Apparently my pockets are full of crud because this remote has a lot of crud on it. So I typically like to shower and wash my clothes, but apparently there's not much I can do about this. Okay, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and snap the cover back on. See, just like this. Put the key back in and hit the button. And it works. Thanks for viewing. If you like this video, please like it and hit the subscribe button. Have a lot more content on BMWs, and as I teased in my first video, a potential supercar that could be coming to the channel. Thank you again. Have a great day.